Ladies and gentlemen, greetings to everyone. We have three basic points that I'll be talking about today. The three basic points I will be talking about today, and I'll be talking about the body odor. What causes body odor? That is the first point. Second one, can it be treated? And what, if yes, what can be done in order to bring remedy to the body odor? And the third point we talk about is how to keep a good hygienic condition, especially in this region where people there's so much heat and we sweat a lot. First, I want you to understand that body odor is caused when sweat from your body mixed with the bacteria on the skin. Our skin is covered by bacteria, and when you sweat, the sweat mixes with the bacteria. That is what causes body odor. And the kind of odor that will cause the kind of odor we have will be based on the bacteria, the kind of bacteria that we have on our skin. And one thing we have to understand is that sweat does not cause body odor. Many people think that when you sweat, it is the sweat that smells. No, sweat does not smell at all. Sweat only smells when it mixes with the bacteria on the skin. And what causes body odor may be due to a bad body odor, may be due to hormonal changes, medications, infections, and underlying diseases like diabetes, etc. Those are the main causes of body odor. And in order for you to treat body odor, you have to use antibacterial soap frequently. Take bath like 2 times a day with antibacterial soap. This antibacterial soap helps to remove the bacteria on your body, because when it helps reduces the amount of bacteria on the body to limit the amount of sweat that mixes with the bacteria, so as to stop the body odor. Because when the antibacterial, it takes away the bacteria, you sweat, you will not get the smell, because there is no bacteria to mix now with that sweat now to bring about the body odor. And when you have body odor, you always try as much as you can to shave areas of your body that sweat. If you have the armpit, pubic region where you usually sweat, always keep them shaved, because hairs trap bacteria a lot. And when you sweat, if you have hairs, it becomes difficult for the sweat to evaporate. But when there is no hairs, the sweat will evaporate faster, thereby causing no body odor, because there will be no breathing space for the bacteria, and the sweat cannot mix with the bacteria to cause the body odor. Then you have to reduce on some foods that you need to avoid. You need to avoid foods like onion, garlic, some alcohol. There are many others, but those are examples. There are some foods that you need to avoid that cause body odor. With those kind of food, especially onion, garlic, and ginger, those are the things that causes body odor. And then you avoid putting on tight-fitting dresses, like your underwears, your bras. Avoid put dresses that are loose, cotton dresses that are loose. When you do that, it is going to stop the body odor. And then you also need to take medications, because most of the body odor are caused by underlying diseases. So you need to visit the hospital for the medical expert to do either physical examination, blood or urine test to know the underlying disease. So when the disease is cured, you will discover that the body odor will be free from the body odor. So those are some of the things that you have to do in order to prevent body odor. Another thing that we have to understand is that stress causes body odor. When you stress, it causes the apocrine gland to secrete a lot of sweat, thereby mixing with bacteria that will cause more smell. So you need to avoid stress at all costs when you have body odor. Red meat also causes body odor. Cauliflower also causes body odor. Cabbage also causes body odor. Those are the things that you need to avoid if you want to get rid of body odor. Then you wash your dresses regularly. Always wash your dresses regularly. Don't repeat dresses. If you have body odor, immediately you wear a dress, you wash.